Alright, today we're working on another Honda ignition problem. So this one's going to be a 2005 Honda Ridgeline. Basically this is the customer's keys, a little worn out. Still works the door, only because the door is worn with the key. But this is what we came out for. Ignition stopped working. See? He says you play with it for a while or you get it working. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this all apart. I'm going to rebuild the ignition, cut another key shell, and everything should be brand new again. Now for those of you that are not in Georgia, you could easily have somebody take the ignition out, or you could take it out, mail it to me, I'll rebuild it that way and send it back to you. But I'll come back in a little bit with this rebuild. Alright, we're back at this Honda again. I just wanted to show this part. Everything's tore apart. I already got the cylinder out. That's not a big deal. Cylinder is a little jack. I'm gonna go ahead and rebuild it since it's out. But the steering lock actually stopped working. So steering wheel still. I'm on my way working on getting this off. But everything has to come out of the way. The whole trim, everything comes off. Even the gear shifter comes off. So now, if you're going to get somebody to repair this, just keep in mind, it's not going to be cheap. Those of you that call me, especially in Georgia, and y'all wonder why I charge what I charge to drive out to a car and deal with this situation at the car. Here's why. I got to tear everything apart to get this lock in my hand so I can repair it. Now, those of you that's going to mail it to me, no big deal. I just get the lock and I repair it. So if you got somebody in your area and you're wondering why they charging you as much as they charging you, this is why. This is easily a couple hours of just trying to get the parts in your hand. And then obviously the reverse is probably going to be a little quicker. So you got three hours in just taking stuff apart and then some repair time. So you could be easily into this 4 or 5 hours. And that's about it. I'll come back in a little bit. I'll come back with this all fixed and everything. Yeah, I just wanted to show you that the gear shifter, everything comes off in order to get access to this lock. And then you got the bolts that you got to deal with. All right, I'll come back in a little bit when this is repaired. We're back at this Honda Ridgeline. As you see, everything's put back together. We got one of the keys working. Battery went a little low. So let's see if we can get it going again. Here you go, nice and smooth. Yep, we got to put a jump on it again, but that's about it. If you need us to rebuild your ignition, just give us a call. We'll tell you, how long it's going to take, how much it's going to cost. If you're Georgia, give me a call. I could put you on the schedule, and that's about it. Or go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thank you.